Hello guys, this is a video about installing the new dash cam we have here. It's called OG Mobile. So this is basically the dash cam. You're gonna see the footage on my main channel. We're gonna install it today on my brother car, and basically I'm gonna show you how to install it. This is the product information, so just have a look. So let's start. All you need: the front dash cam, socket point, the charger for the front dash cam, and that's the rear dash cam, and that's the cable for it. So what we're gonna do first, we're gonna mount the front one, and then we're gonna go ahead and then do the rear, and then show you how to do it properly. Alright, let's start. So obviously first thing you want to know where you're gonna put your dash cam. So this and that. And from here we can start wiring. So let's start with the power cable. So for the mess, I'm not Lewis from Unboxing Therapy, so allow it. Anyways, so that's the power cable. You want to run it through anything you can. If not, and then start from the headliner. And you probably need the tools comes with the dash cam, just to push the cable inside if your fingers can really manage to do it. So the cable is going to run with the headliners inside here, so we'll go that way, and basically it goes all the way down and we'll bring it down here. Yeah, so just to keep it all wired nicely, and it's gonna go just right under by the heated, the air vents and everything, just to keep the wires hidden. And that's the power cable. SD card. No,
Does
my
it take
SD.
64?
I know. Doesn't take 64. So I'm still gonna charge you for the SD card, yeah?
Yeah,
£1
£1.
an hour?
Yeah,
An hour?
£1.
An hour?
No, the whole thing.
No, an hour. For God's sake.
Just
Yeah.
plug it in for the review.
So that's the SD card slot. Yeah, upside down. Okay. Yeah. And take power on.
Yeah.
I'll probably push the power off.
Alright.
Where's the power?
On the other side.
Yeah. Playing the setting a bit just to see, because I could believe the screen is upside down, so I'm gonna have to do that in a bit. Well, let's carry on with the wiring and focus. Yeah. So we start from the rear camera, and it's this end. I'll bring you that way. It doesn't slide in there. Yeah, it should be fine now. There you go. There you go, cameraman.
Yes.
Need extra cable. Come here. Yeah, we'll run it the same way. But this time we're gonna go up all the way to the back. Go all the way on the headliners, on the sideway, I mean by the doors and everything. And you still can carry on here. Yeah, that was zooming. So we go that way. Let's go back. cable. That's all extra. So what we actually can do, still record this part. What we actually can do,
Fucking train.
yeah, we can do that way and see where to hide the extra cable. So in this way we're gonna go under the hard one. It's down here. Push the cable all the way inside. Yeah, they're right. Rest in peace. Yeah, seamless work. So that's the rear dash cam. I'm planning to put it somewhere here, so that way we'll record without any problem. So one sec, that's whatever you want to call them. So like the hook trying to catch something small. Come on. And that's the camera. That goes right in there. And now we'll block that. And we'll plug this, connect this. So that goes in. The cable still goes that way. And then we can even put them inside the head mounts if we wanted to. And it goes that way. And you got a rear dash cam and I don't. Oh, that is fair.
I'm blessed.
You know, you're gonna have to give me all the footage.
I'm your first subscriber, so.
So that's that. Let's go and test it. So that's you have it. That is the rear dash cam. So